What's up, guys? It's your girl Tracy B. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today I am going to be doing a high puff on my hair. I am not a person that likes to use a lot of products, so the only thing I'm going to use is my water bottle and this growth oil that I use on occasions. I just took my hair down, and this morning I don't have time to wash it. I have a few errands to run and before everybody wakes up, so I'm just gonna do this really quick. So first, I did not comb my hair out. I raked it out with my hand, and then I kind of fluffed it a little bit with this comb here. But let me take my glasses off, that might be better. So what I'm gonna use is this elastic band. I have a different one if that one doesn't work. I'll probably use this one. So I'm gonna take this elastic band, I'm gonna double it. So I'm gonna take my soft brush first and just brush my edges up. And then, honestly, I don't even think I need water. So I probably won't even use that or oil. Because remember, this is a no hairstyle taken down. So what I did is I took it and pushed it back. And then in the back, I'm going to crisscross it. I'm just going to pull it. As tight as I can get it, and then I'm gonna cross it over. Make sure the hair is pulled out. Okay, and then right here, I'm just gonna tie a knot. And then stick it. And then fluff. And that is my 5-minute quick puff hairstyle. I didn't use any products. It literally took me 2 seconds, not 2 seconds, but like 2 minutes. And yeah, this is the hairstyle I'm gonna wear for today and probably tomorrow. Then I'll wash and deep conditioner and do my weekly routine. Thanks for watching. Bye.